board for B boarding
All right,
group.
everybody, we're off to Hunter's Mountain, New York, getting ready to zip line,
KC1 through 30,
leaving
welcome
LAX
aboard.
off to Vegas. Super, super psyched.
B1 through 30, welcome aboard.
10, yay, my 10 zip line. Down Southwest Lane.
Ty, we're in Albany.
I don't care, you can't get me like this. This is not my California girl move right now. What?
Hunter's Mountain.
Man, this was the best. This was the most incredible zip line ever. The colors, the view, the people, the rain, the sunshine. I mean, now it's like picture perfect. The feel of it, the smell of it, the beauty is unbelievable. Like, this by far is the most spectacular zip line that I have been on. Number 10 is all the way alive. Like, this is it. This is the grandio. I'm sure there are more to come, but I love this zip line. I loved the energy, the people. This is the real deal. Y'all gotta come here. This is it. This is all about Hunter's Mountain. Come to Hunter's Mountain and do your zip.
This is so cool.